How to edit place address in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it works on iPhone, Android or Samsung. So for that we will simply open Google Maps. Once you open Google Maps, here you will search for the location that you want to edit that address. For example, I want to edit that address, so I will simply click on that. Once you click here you guys will see direction call save, so we will simply scroll on the right side. In end you guys will see edit, so simply click on edit. Once you click on edit, here you guys will see all location photography like the place name, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will rewrite the name, for example whatever you want to edit. After that you can add don't know but this is incorrect, also you can add pixtc, and after that click on submit. Once you click on submit, Google will verify it, or sometimes it's change automatically. And that's it. That's how you guys can change any address in Google Maps. Thanks for watching.